Hi Starlights, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to draw anime noses, one of those small details that make a huge difference in your character design. They might look simple, but the way you draw a nose can completely change a character's personality and style. So in this video I'll show you a few different ways to draw anime noses, from simple and cute to more defined and realistic ones. Let's begin with the side view. In anime, the nose is usually shown with just one clean line. Now I add a little more definition near the bottom, just a small curve to show the nostril or the tip of the nose. Don't press too hard, the goal is to keep the nose subtle and stylized. Even one extra line can make the character look older or more serious, so use it carefully. When drawing a nose from the front, anime art usually avoids outlines. Instead, we suggest the shape using small shadows under the nose or on one side. This keeps the face soft and expansive. Notice how I use very short strokes to show light and depth. Now let's compare a few styles. The first one is soft and round, great for gentle or cute characters. The second one has a sharper bridge and longer tip. It's perfect for strong, confident designs. And the last one uses shading only, no outlines, which gives a more natural, semi-realistic feel. You can experiment by mixing these styles, trying changing the angle and length of a bridge or how much shadow you add. Each small change will create a new personality. Once you're happy with the shapes, clean up your lines and gently blend your shading. Remember, anime noses are more about suggestion than accuracy. You want the viewer to feel the form without clearly seeing every detail. And that's it! You've just learned a few easy ways to draw anime noses in pencil. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe and share it with your artist friends. Tell me in the comments, which nose style do you use the most in your art? Thanks for watching and keep practicing!